Okay, so here is my latest project. It's nearly completed. This is a 4-channel LED controller that's primarily going to be used on board a helicopter, RC helicopter or plane or boat or whatever you like, car. There's 4 separate channels that can be controlled. I've got some LED strips here. These are two 50-50 sized SMD LEDs, and these are 35-28 sized. They're a lot cheaper, but they're not as bright as their bigger brothers. There's a LiPo battery here, which is connected to the prototype board. There's a voltage regulator, this little thing, that turns the 12 to 11 volts from the battery into 5 volts for the microcontroller. There's also a little jumper right here. With that you can switch between 12 volt or 5 volt output power of the LEDs, which is handy if you just want a single LED, and 5 volt is plenty in case you have a scale model or something like that. There's a microcontroller here that will be integrated into the final board when it's ready. There's also a connector here that goes to the receiver. You can plug it in on a free channel on your receiver and then control the various programs with the switch on your transmitter, or just to a ordinary channel using a wire harness. So let's see what we have here. If I move the aileron stick to the left, then I will go to the alternating program. Move it even further and then the lights will be dimmed. And this demonstrates the dimming effect. And if I move it to the right, we have a strobe. And this is not even half power. And that's not even full power. So there's plenty of light coming off these things. So that's it. There's also a low voltage battery warning. This thing also monitors the battery voltage. It's a programmable threshold. When it gets below that, you can trigger a separate program which tells you to land.